I don't know if it's just dad's a gym teacher and mom's an ex-collegiate runner. I don't know if we pushed him into it, but I mean, we're going to ride it for as long as we can because we get to hike fast now and he loves it. So if you think this is child abuse, we're not forcing him. We might be bribing him with fruit snacks, but I mean, he's really doing this on his own. Trust me. There he goes. Zoom! Do you run for fruit leathers? Mm-hmm. Is that your favorite part of running? What's your favorite part of running?
My legs.
Your legs?
My hurting.
Are they hurting?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna keep running though? No, you're gonna quit? Or you're gonna persevere? You're gonna fight through the pain. Trail interview. Keep running, buddy. Caleb, do you like to run?
Chili.
Is it chilly? Do you like to run? Oh.
Pumpkins.
Any words for the kids at home? Sitting watching cartoons or playing PlayStation?
Go check. Booty outside.
Yeah, get your booty outside. You heard him.